Here we go, getting ready to hop on a red boat tour at Vilano Beach, Florida. Yeah, and there's the boat right there. Show you guys. Hopefully they don't leave us because we'll walk away. You check in right at the boat, which makes it so much easier. All right, almost there. I don't know what this is, but being near the salt water, you will see everything. Look at him. Just minding his business.
I am Captain James. If everybody would turn to this side of the boat and say, "Hi, Dave."
Hi, Dave.
Dave is a captain also. Our mate couldn't make it today, so we've got two captains and no Tennille. So it'll be fun. We're going to do tag team captaining. We are so glad to have you with us. We are a U.S. Coast Guard crew vessel, and there's some rules that we need to go over real quick, and some safety issue things that we want you to know about. Center of the boat and forward, there are life jackets, and they're very unlikely chance we need them. We got them. So these dolphins, we see them a lot because they live here. They're here year-round. They don't go anywhere, just like the Miami Dolphins.
He said they don't go anywhere, just like the Miami Dolphins. Where do they go?
That wasn't too bad. Dave does that joke.
Where did they go? There they go. Oh, they closer. They close to the boat. Is that a mackerel? Yeah. That he came out. Hey, over there. It's something about that red pole. Maybe it's some secret fish in there. Dolphins.
And they'll hang here, those tarpon will hang here for the same reasons the dolphins do, which is food. There's a mullet coming by. It's like a conveyor belt here. They'll sit here and just pick stuff off.
Out here at St. Augustine, Vilano Beach, or some shit like that. Yeah, on a red boat tour. We gotta go see some dolphins or some shit. So yeah. Yeah, Vilano Beach Pier, that's what it is. Y'all can see that. That's where we at. Just relaxing, chilling in the water, man. Head to the beach later. Well, after we get off of this boat tour. I'll tell you one thing, boy, it is hot as hell in Florida. I'm talking about hot, boy.
So you're just here for the day then?
It's hot as hell down here, man. I'm talking about. I'm glad we in the shade, man. Boy, it's cooking out there walking in that sun. Hot as hell in Florida, boy.
I'll never say no to water.
That pipe down the dock.
Oh, yeah, good looking. Thank you, man. Free water. I don't know what water we in, but we somewhere some water shit. I don't know what. Yeah, they might say it.
They saw some dolphins today.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna show y'all some dolphins. We're out here dolphin watching. They said they seen some already, so we're gonna see some more dolphins. Out here chilling. Last time we did the speedboat, that speedboat be going fast as hell, be doing donuts and everything. This time we ain't on the speedboat, just want to relax, cruise slow. Down here in Miami. It's hot as hell down here in Miami. I tell y'all that. I don't know what it feels like at home in Cincinnati, but it's hot as hell down here.
Doesn't look like they're still here, but
I mean, nah, we ain't in Miami tripping. We in Jacksonville, but we in another part right now, St. Augustine. That's where we at. St. Augustine, Florida.
Right at the red marker.
Oh, okay, cool, everybody. You're welcome to stand up. Let's go see what we can find.
Some dolphins over there.
Yeah, you're welcome to move over. Just,
It was just 2 dolphins. I'll
if
show
everybody
y'all in a
wants to run
second.
to the left side at once.
Oh, there you go.
That's good. We can do a
There you go.
sleep.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, they mammals, so they can't go down for long. You'll be back.
Yeah, I seen it.
I saw it.
These are inland bottlenose dolphins.
Yeah.
They are the coolest dolphins. I thought they all looked the same. They don't. These look just like the ones that I grew up with.
There they go. Y'all see them?
A TV show called Flipper. Does anybody remember the show?
They gonna come back up again.
Oh, look. They are over there chilling.
Now I'm not going to move in. I'll very easily, gently move in on them. So
There they go. There they go. They come back up in a second.
There they go. What are they doing?
Oh, there you go over there.
Hey. Yeah, we'll have to get in the water with the dolphins next time, husband.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We'll have to pet them.
Where they go, man? Come back up and breathe. Where y'all at? Jump up, do a flip or something.
Hey, they're at the...
Oh, they over there now.
Yeah. Yeah, they went over there. Yeah, they're by the boat. Yeah. Hey, there they go. They coming back.
Throw 'em some food.
Oh, look at them. Yeah.
I don't know where the hell they are now.
We didn't even go far. They already out here.
I don't know where the dolphins. Oh, there they go.
Yeah,
See it?
they coming back. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep on missing one thing. Yeah, there you go.
That red pole.
Oh, there they go.
Yeah.
Almost don't nothing big come up out of this goddamn water. Like, we out here chilling though, on the boat ride, you know what I'm saying? Came from the pier over that way.
These dolphins,
We out here
we
looking
see
at
them
dolphins
a
and
lot
shit and
because they
everything.
live here. They're here year round. They don't go anywhere, just like the Miami Dolphins.
Phew.
That wasn't too bad. Dave doesn't.
Where the damn dolphins go? Come on, where y'all is at? Come back up. Oh, there they go. Hold on, what was that? What was that? That looked like a damn marlin or something. That was shiny.
That was harping then. Those are dolphins.
Yeah, that was a shiny fish.
There's a tarpon. You'll see them here.
Yeah, that was shiny.
Just start shopping. And they'll hang here, those tarpon will hang here for the same reasons the dolphins do, which is food. There's mullet coming by. This is like a conveyor belt here. And they'll sit here and just pick stuff off.
Oh, that's what it is. That's
They're
what we
feeding.
Yeah.
So when you see those big explosions on the surface, that's them chasing a bait, usually a mullet.
So what's the conveyor belt underwater?
No.
No.
It's the water moving in the way
There
that
you go.
it acts as a conveyor belt.
Oh, okay.
It's
So
just
something that they like to eat is
This is an outgoing
sit in the
tide,
current, right? They're just sitting in
and
the
it's
current.
going out about 4 miles an hour, and that's about a foot an hour.
It was something big. It was right there. Oh, there you go. It was a big old silver something that was right here. I don't know what that was. They might well come up here and jump on the boat. Jump over the boat light. Time for me to come back, sit back down in the shade. Oh man, it's hot as hell out here, man.
That's awesome.
I sit my head back out of shade, man. I'll come back show y'all some more damn
Towed
dogs. We
in
see some
to
more.
in here, so we'll
Or whatever else we
over
see,
here.
but now
Wait
I'm
for
trying to
them.
sit back and relax, give me some water. What's up with it? We at San Augustine,
It's kind of
Villano Beach or some shit. Oh, the dolphin tour or some shit. Hold up.
what they were doing.
Oops. Trying to turn around. Yeah. Ooh, it's hot today. I'm about to drink this water so fast. Shit.
Can I borrow you for 1 second?
I'm glad I ain't drink that liquor, boy. I'm
I'm
good out
glad you
here.
ain't drinking either.
Roasting.
Here, take this real quick. All right.
I would have been out here cooking if I'd have brought that tequila with me, boy. I'm glad I ain't. Whew, I would have been cooking.
It's like 80.
This shit feel like about 95 degrees out of this damn place. I'd have been out here roasting like a mug. There's some more dolphins somewhere. It was something big just jumped out the water. I don't know what the fuck it was. Some big silver shit I just seen. I don't know what the hell that was. There's something they're looking at.
So this is a small family. What do you call a family of dolphins? Anybody know? Pod is correct. If we see manatee today, we've been seeing a few around. We saw 6 yesterday.
Shit, I don't know.
That was a family too. What do you call a family of manatees? Anybody know? They manatees are called, they're sea cows. So what would they be? A herd. That's right. That's a good one. Anybody know what crows are called? A family of crows? It's a murder. Yeah.
A pack of chicken.
2 ravens. What are ravens? Anybody know? A conspiracy. That's why 2 crows is a attempted murder. Large group of toddlers is a annoyance.
Oh, something just stuck his head out the water. I don't know what the hell that was.
I
There was
got a
something
few
over there.
minutes here with these guys. We try to be respectful.
They come back
to
up,
the
I'll show
flight,
y'all.
moving in quickly, so they know they don't need to be worried about us. And they've been here a long time. They've been here as long as we know the Indians have been here, so it's somewhere around 10,000 years. They were here when the Spanish arrived in 1565. They actually talked about the communication and the relationship
Let me
with
stand
the
up
Indians
here,
had
so
here with the dolphins. Would have been the Timucua, Talamato Indians here.
Yeah. Look, oh, they over there somewhere now.
Hang on a little bit, let me see if anything exciting.
No. Man, And sit my head back down. Look at this. And sit back down. I'll be back. Holler at y'all later. I'm gonna fly my drone when I get back over that way or something though. So tune back in. See y'all later. I'm back. It's hot as hell in Florida.